Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, whenever you are watching us. Mallory and Scott here with Noe Lawn Care. We got my brother back there as well. We've got some mulch to lay. We're gonna do a natural bed edge all around here. Throw some mulch down. Same right here in this front area. Blow it out real good. Throw some mulch down. And these two can go to the back and get some leaves going for y'all. I'm gonna start on this front end. They're gonna run in the back. And let's see how today goes. Had to take a break to come get little man from school, but let's get back to the work. Got to pick up one more scoop. That's about all the old project trailer can handle anyways. Beautiful. There we are. Mama's cleaning up the road there. I've got just a little bit more to go right there, about another bag, but the rest of it is looking real good. All the mulch done. Your natural bed edge from Echo. That thing is a beast. This is day 2 for the mulch job, leaf job. And yes, you're hearing it. We got the pressure washer going. We got all these little helicopters that don't even look like we put down any mulch. But it's down. It's looking good. I got my 2 bags right there for the leftover. And we got Andrew right here starting the pressure washer. Getting it clean, boy. Alright. So, this is where we left off last time. Of course, all these little flowers on these guys are showing out everywhere. We've got it all cleaned up on this side, all the way to the front there. And we've got that pile left. Mama and little man will be here in a little bit to start on that. I am going to run and do a mow, and then when I come back, let's hope they're done. I don't have to do anything. I don't have to do anything at all over here. Let's just hope that they're done and they can keep on kicking. And they got the trailer loaded, ready for me when I get back. Let's hope so. Alright, we'll see y'all here in a minute. Well, there we are. That pile is gone. Thanks to Mama and little man. Completely clean, cleared out backyard. The house Andrew has completed. It looks great. Few little hard spots. We're going to try to see if we can do a post treatment on here, but there's all that all the way down the side there, the whole house, gutters and all. Now you guys get to watch me pressure wash this driveway.
knew my babe, but I couldn't tell you who he was. Later found out he was my brother. That's when I knew that. That's when I knew that. That's when I knew that. That's when I knew that I hit rock bottom.
We are back early in the morning. Come pick up those leaves and show the rest of this driveway. All the way up here, sidewalk. Then of course in between there, they had a good little drainage problem down here. As you saw in the video, it's nice and wet, so as soon as they pulled up, they got it wet, but that's no problem.
We can always touch that up. Gilly.
No, little rain will take care of that.
Yeah.
Little rain will take care of that, no problem. But there it is. Oh yeah, and the mailbox too. We did the mailbox. Beautiful. All right. Appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.
Bye.